Hi folks, apparently so many of you out there use baking soda and vinegar to clean your drain clogs, and it becomes an open question of if it really works or not. So I'm here with Christina, my name is Dave, and we're gonna form 3 different clogs and see if baking soda and vinegar works. We've never done this before, so we're gonna see what you see. So the first thing that we're gonna do, because there's 3 common clogs. There's hair, there's grease, and if it's a kitchen sink, coffee grinds. So we're gonna try a coffee grinds clog.
And I drink a lot of coffee at home, so.
And are you the cause of this?
I think that's it's.
Nah.
What?
Yeah, that's enough. Let's see what happens. Baking soda.
We're gonna try some baking soda.
Can you get a cap closer? Because that gets explosive.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens.
That should be fine. Let's see.
Hey, that moved it out. That moved it out. Cool. Baking soda and vinegar works. It might not work for a hard clog, but it works for soft clogs.